what's up guys, it's Josh here. So what we're doing today is we are filming the RSX as you saw with the intro, and what we're also doing is we are going to be applying the RSX anti-fog because I tried using shaving gel instead of anti-fog. As I saw a lot of other videos, they said that shaving gel would work. However, whenever I put it on, it's been like super cold here. It's been in negative 20s, negative 30s, and it's just been freezing. And so what I want to do today is I'm going to use a bit of Windex to clean off all the mirrors around the car, and then I'm going to be applying RSX. And so let's see how it goes. I'll figure out how to apply it properly, and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so this is everything that we're gonna need to start out with. Just some Windex or any window cleaner and some microfiber cloths just to ignore the speaker, clean just the streaks. As you can see, like if you can see the little fogs on the side, it looks really dirty. It looks like it's the outside, but it's actually on the inside. So I'm gonna be cleaning that off along with the shaving cream that I had on it earlier. Not earlier, but I applied it a couple weeks back, and it's just been freezing a lot. And so we're gonna start off with some Windex and a microfiber, and then we will move on to the RSX. And to apply the RSX, you just use a paper towel, and so we'll do that after. Okay, so the front window is now done, and I'm probably just gonna do all the rest of the windows before I actually apply the RSX. So I'm gonna get to that before I apply it, and then after I'll show you exactly what it looks like and if it actually works. So back to it. Okay guys, so we just finished cleaning all the windows, and so now we are moving on to the RSX anti-fog. And so what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to rip a bit of paper out, and let's see if this is even open yet. Not yet. There we go, now it's open. Then you just put a bit on the tissue paper. Well, it's just a bit, and then now what you do is you just put a thin coat on the window, and now after you're done your thin coat, you just wipe off the excess residue. There shouldn't be much, it should dry up pretty fast, which it did for me. I'm just taking off any in case there is. And then it should be good. It should all be applied and everything should be working, and it shouldn't be fogging, and so we will test it. And here you go, here is the test. So that is the window. No fog. Oh, you can see a bit, but it doesn't look too bad. Let's just try wiping it away and see what happens. Let's try again. I don't know if you can see. I think you can see like a bit of fogginess. It looks like it's not really foggy, but it just looks moist. And I think that's just because it's condensation. But it looks like it's working. I guess we'll apply it to the rest now. Okay guys, so we finally finished applying the Rain-X anti-fog to all of the windows. And so I think that's pretty much all that we are going to do for this video. Next video, I ordered a double din for the car, which will be replacing the stock stereo. And then I might also be working to hide this wire and try to put it through here, and then hopefully either on this side or the other side put it through the top liner and then run it all the way back down into the 12 volt. And so that'll be the next video, but until then, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you do have any ideas, leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, give it a like.